Hi everyone, this is Coco from Landpack machine. Today I will teach you how to adjust the color mark sensor to check the right color mark. We have 3 types to teach you how to adjust it. Now follow me. I will teach you one by one. First step, we need to check this sensor. Now you can observe it. The sensor didn't check the right color mark. Okay, second type. We need to check the sensor. Now you can check the light is green. It means the sensor didn't work rightly. So we need to adjust it. First step, we need to adjust it by the touch screen. We need to adjust the film direction. This button to move the color mark. We need to continue to move it to make the sensor to check the right color mark. When we finish it, after adjusting, we need to turn on the switch. This switch turn on. Then press the switch about 3 seconds. Okay, let's turn back to the touch screen. Now we move out the color mark. Now we need to check it again. We press last switch about 3 seconds. Okay. Now we make the color mark back to the original position. At this time, and you can check the red line and the green line shows at the same time. It means the color mark sensor can work stably. Okay, now let's check the Spanish back. We test the one back. We can compare the 2 back. This one is longer, this is shorter. So this is suitable sensor mark to check back. This is not. That's all. If you have any other questions, please contact us.